everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in another challenge. In this case is using trash to create treasure. This is a monthly challenge that is hosted by Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine, and her co-host this month is Jessica from Measure and Mix. I will leave the link to their channels in the description box. I will also leave the link to the playlist with all the videos that are going to be entered in this challenge. Please visit the hostesses' channels. You will find, as I always say about all the hostesses, but it's absolutely true, they are so inspiring, they are so creative that you will find a lot of new ideas there. And also in the videos of the people who are going to participate in this challenge. As the title says, this is about using trash to create something beautiful. And this is really trash. Because, again, I hope you know already, you're following my videos and my channel. My daughter and I are dumpster divers. Our channel is Dumpster Chicks. You can go and visit it. The link will be in the description box also. And you will have a lot of fun because it's really funny to see us finding treasures in the trash, in the dumpsters. We found at Michael's 2 of these canvases that were thrown obviously because they are cut here. I have another one that has a bigger cut. So I kept them because I needed to replace a board in my scrap room or craft room. So I thought this was going to be the perfect one. First, I'm going to add this kind of picture holder, notes holder. It is from Dollar Tree. It had a stand here that I removed. I want to use this picture here, so I'm going to add this one here. I'm going to place all the elements to make sure I am doing this the right way. Here I'm going to use this piece of cork. It's self-adhesive, but I use it for another project, and when I removed it, I didn't have the backing paper, so I just placed a piece of regular paper in the back, and now I have to adhere it with hot glue. And I'm using it just to cover the cut in the canvas. For this side, I'm going to use this. This is self-adhesive also, is black chalkboard paper, like a blackboard. I already printed a sentiment that I like, so I'm going to place this here. And for this corner, if you watched my video from a few days ago, I found that I have kept this corrugated cardboard or cardstock from when I was working at a men's clothes store. These pieces used to come with shirts or something like that, I don't remember, and I kept them. I don't know why, but I liked them and I kept them. They were going to go to the garbage, and now I am using them for different crafts, different projects, because they can be made to look like they are metal. So I wanted to place an envelope here. So I took a regular envelope and I opened it and used it as a template for this one. And then, so I cut this piece, and then I cut another piece to place it here for this side to be also corrugated, otherwise it would have been plain like this one. I painted it with again, as I showed you the other day, and many days before, many videos before, I spray painted it with Rust-Oleum weather steel, and I'm going to place this envelope here in this corner, and I'm going to add some flowers that I have here. So I'm going to do this right now. I didn't want to glue this previously because I wanted to show you the envelope open, but I don't know if it's going to hold in place. All these flaps are going to hold in place just with hot glue, but I will try, and then we will see if I had to add something else. So here we go. So well, here I have the board almost finished with all the elements I wanted. So now it's time to decorate it. So I'm going to add these flowers here. I love how they look. Oh, I'm in love with them. And I'm going to add the picture here. I think I will have to cut a little bit of the border. I'll do that later. Okay. And here I'm going to add, let me look for the elements. A picture of my middle son, she is the eldest. I want to add this and this, maybe this here. Yeah, I think this looks great. So I'm going to add this later, just wanted to see if that's what I want. So this is the board ready to be hanged on the wall, and I really like how it looks. It was for free, mostly. The canvas was free. I already had this cork. This is from Dollar Tree. I have had it for a year or so. This paper was a present from my son-in-law for Christmas. He gave me a roll that is going to last me forever. This was for free except for the paint. These flowers are from Dollar Tree and I had them already at home. So honestly, it's the less expensive board you can wish for, and it's really, for me, it's really trash to treasure, and I'm so happy that this canvas didn't end up in the landfill. We do dumpster diving because we hate seeing things that can be used, recycled, donated, etc. going to the landfills. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please visit the hostess' channels. Please watch the videos from the playlist. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.